Welcome to our construction management system presentation, a smart, all-in-one platform designed to make managing projects easier, faster, and more efficient. From project planning to budgeting, from tracking materials and labor to monitoring real-time progress on tasks, everything is organized at one platform. Let's begin with the construction management dashboard. This dashboard provides a centralized view of the construction projects. It is real-time. It provides the total number of projects, which shows the current number of active construction projects. Total estimated expenses of projects represents the sum of all budgeted costs across all the projects. Actual expenses of projects, which is current cumulative spending across all projects, and cost variance. It shows the difference between what we plan to spend and what we actually spent on the projects. Charts and trends includes project progress, which shows the completion percentage of each project. Alongside progress, the dashboard presents an assets estimation costs chart, which highlights the expected financial requirements across materials, labor, equipment, and contract categories. This provides a forward-looking view of cost distribution, helping managers anticipate where the majority of the budget will be allocated before actual expenses occur. Moving further, the total cost chart compares the expected versus actual expenditure of each project. This side-by-side view is critical for spotting budget deviations, making it easier to recognize where overspending has occurred or where costs are being controlled effectively. Complementing these financial insights, the cost breakdown pie chart summarizes the proportion of total project spending on materials, labor, and equipment, offering a high-level view of cost concentration areas. On the resource management side, the equipment allocation chart displays how machinery is divided between allocated and draft status, ensuring efficient deployment of critical assets. Finally, the inventory allocation chart illustrates how available stock is distributed across projects, reducing the risk of shortages and ensuring timely supply chain management. Together, these visualizations empower stakeholders to monitor not just financial and operational progress but also optimize resource planning, anticipate risks, and ensure projects remain aligned with both budgetary and scheduling goals. Next, let's look at the modules. They are grouped into categories. Start with projects. On the screen, there are 2 sample projects. For each project, there is individual dashboard. Let's first look into individual dashboard of the project that gives a real-time, detailed view of the project. It shows the overall project progress as a completion percentage, along with the expected total cost, the budgeted cost, and the actual total cost, the current amount spent. The dashboard also highlights task details such as the total number of tasks, how many are completed, how many are still in progress, and the number of BOQ items. It includes a daily progress report counter and shows cost variance, which is the difference between planned spending and actual spending. To give more clarity, the dashboard includes several charts and trends. Bar chart compares budgeted versus actual costs for materials, labor, and equipment, with a total summary. A top material costs chart highlights the most expensive materials used, helping to understand where most of the budget is going. The cost breakdown pie chart shows the share of spending on materials, labor, equipment, and contract, giving a quick view of cost distribution. For resource tracking, the employee work hours chart shows how many hours each employee has worked, while the task progress chart displays the completion status of different project phases or milestones. This helps identify which parts are on track and which are delayed. Finally, the monthly progress trends chart tracks labor hours and employee count throughout the year. Peaks show the busiest periods, with labor hours reflecting workload and employee count showing staffing changes. Altogether, this dashboard makes it easier to monitor the project closely, manage resources effectively, and make timely decisions. Let's get into the project. It requires expected and actual start and completion dates, along with the expected contract value and expected cost breakdown for materials, labor, and equipment. The actual material cost, labor cost, and equipment cost are all automatically calculated and tracked within our project, giving us the total project cost. The progress percentage clearly shows how far the project has moved. Below, we have the project timeline, where each task is tracked with start and end dates, assigned team members, current status, and completion percentage. On the tabs, We can also view timesheets. This is where we track real-time employee work progress, and each entry includes image attachments as proof of work completed, which can be downloaded for documentation purposes. And then BOQs, inventory moves, invoices, payments, and even employee work records. This gives us a complete and real-time view of the entire project, making monitoring and decision-making much easier. BOQ, Bill of Quantities, provides a detailed list of materials, resources, and activities in a project with their quantities, unit costs, and total prices. It simplifies cost estimation, budgeting, and tracking for effective project management. The Daily Progress Report, DPR, is used to track the day-to-day activities of a project. It captures important details such as the date, project name, daily summary, and any site issues. It also records workforce data including the number of employees, their total working hours, and cost per employee per day. Additionally, DPR allows tracking of materials used on site with details like quantity, unit of measure, unit cost, and total cost. By maintaining these daily logs, project managers can monitor progress, control resources, and ensure accountability across the construction site. The inventory module helps track and manage the availability of materials required for different projects while linking directly with BOQ. It ensures smooth coordination between planning and actual material usage. The equipment allocation helps manage and track construction machinery and equipment usage across projects. It records details such as project name, machine number, category, operator details, allocation dates, and return dates. The system also calculates hourly and daily rates, total hours used, total days, and the overall cost of equipment utilization. Additionally, usage logs and maintenance logs can be maintained to track fuel consumption. This ensures better resource utilization and accurate costing. The Employee Work Records module helps track and manage the daily work activities of construction employees. It captures key details such as the employee's name, assigned project, work date, supervisor, and specific tasks performed. The system records working hours, break hours, and overtime, while automatically calculating payments based on hourly and overtime rates. This ensures accurate payroll management, transparency in employee performance, and easy monitoring of manpower utilization across different projects. Quality and safety records site inspections, issues, and corrective actions with image attachments, ensuring compliance, safety, and quality control at construction sites. Construction management makes every project run more smoothly and efficiently. It helps you plan smarter, organizing tasks, timelines, and milestones so nothing is delayed. It keeps costs under control by tracking budgets, materials, and labor in real time, so you know exactly where money is being spent. Resources like workers, equipment, and materials are used more efficiently, preventing wastage and avoiding shortages. Communication becomes easier, with teams and clients staying updated, and multi-language support allows everyone to understand clearly. At the same time, it ensures quality and safety standards are met, helping prevent mistakes and accidents. By providing data-driven insights, it helps managers make confident decisions, improve productivity, and deliver projects on time and on budget. In the end, effective construction management is not just about completing projects on time and within budget. It's about ensuring quality, optimizing resources, maintaining data security and privacy, and making informed decisions at every stage. With the right tools, clear insights, real-time monitoring, and secure handling of project information, we can build not only successful projects but also a foundation for long-term growth and trust.